Hello students and welcome to this video of the subject ONS. This you will be studying in your 6th semester. So today is the introduction video of your syllabus. So let's begin. I am Mrs. Pawar and I'll be teaching you this subject. So this is the scheme of this subject. Its subject code is 22647. Its abbreviation is ONS. It will be having 3 lectures per week, 1 slot for practical. Then you will be having 70 marks theory exam for this subject and 25 marks extra end semester exam for practical, and in all there will be progressive assessment of 30 marks for theory and 25 marks for practical. These 30 marks for theory will be divided 10 marks for micro project, and the remaining 20 marks will be the average of your 2 unit test marks, and the practical term work will be given to you depending on your term work, that means your manual. Hmm. For ONS we do not have the ready-made manual from MSBT, so you will have to write the file. That means you will write the assignment pages and then you will file it, and then you will submit at the end of the semester. So in all this subject will be carrying 150 marks. Now before beginning with the content of the syllabus, let us see the course outcomes of this subject. Course means the subject and outcomes means what will be the results. When you will study this subject, you will be able to do all these things. In theory, practical experiences and relevant soft skills associated with this course are to be taught and implemented, so that student demonstrates the following industry oriented COs, that is course outcomes associated with the above mentioned competency. So we will be teaching you these subjects to get the outcomes listed below. First is interpret the functions of various blocks of optical fiber communication system. Then measure the optical fiber cable parameters. Select relevant architecture of optical networks for the given application. Then select uplink and downlink frequencies for various satellite services and maintain satellite services. So in all there are 5 outcomes for this subject. The first 3 are related with the optical networks and the last 2 are related with the satellite communication. So when you study this subject, you will be able to perform all these functions listed here. So in the unit 1 of optical networks and satellite communication, that is ONS, we will be studying the fundamentals of fiber optic communication. In this we will be studying the different types of fibers, optical fibers, then how the construction is there for optical fiber cable, then different modes of propagation, then we will see the different fiber index profiles, and we will study the block diagram of optical fiber communication system, and we will study the components, that is optical sources and optical detectors. आता याच्यामधले थोडे जे कॉम्पोनंट्स आहेत ते ऑलरेडी तुमचे स्टडी करून झालेत. फॉर एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही फर्स्ट इयरला असताना बेसिक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्समध्ये तुम्ही LED स्टडी केलेला आहे, राईट. सो दॅट LED इज हिअर ऑप्टिकल सोर्स, करेक्ट. सो LEDचं कन्स्ट्रक्शन वर्किंग ऑलरेडी झालेलं असल्यामुळे तो पार्ट मी रिवाइज करेन, आणि जे नाही झालेलं, फॉर एक्झाम्पल हेट्रो जंक्शन LED इज नॉट कवर्ड in your syllabus before, so that we will cover in detail. So likewise we will study all these components given in the first unit. Now in the second unit we will study the optical losses. Then we will see different definitions which are used in this optical fiber communication, like reflection, refraction, total internal reflection, Then Snell's law we will study, critical angle, NA, that is numerical aperture, acceptance angle, acceptance cone we will be studying. We will have some numericals in this chapter. Then we will see the splicing techniques, then different types of losses, and OTDR, that is optical time domain reflectometer. In the third unit of this subject we will study the optical networks. Then we will see the different components that those are used in optical network, like amplifiers, splitters, switches. Then we will see WDM. आपण FDM TDM ची concept study केली आहे, right? Time division multiplexing, then frequency division multiplexing. Also we have studied the CDMA, code division multiple access, right? So it is similar to that. WDM is wavelength division multiplexing. It is used in optical fiber communication. Then we will see the sonnets and SDH, architecture and hierarchy for those. Then we will see the Ethernet standards, IEEE standards are there, that will be studied. Then in unit 4 of ONS we will start with the satellite communication. Then we will see the basic principle, working and concepts of satellite system. What is earth segment, what is space segment, then what are the links used in satellite communication, uplink, downlink frequencies. Then we will see different definitions those are used in satellite communication, like latitude, look angle, elevation angle, station keeping, etc. Then we will see the different types of orbits, then Kepler's law and related definitions. Then in last unit of ONS we will be studying the different services and segments of satellite communication. Then here we will study the block diagrams of antenna subsystems. Different antenna subsystems are there, and also some other subsystems like the tracking and command subsystem, attitude control, spinning satellite stabilization. Then we will study the space link. Then we will calculate the equivalent isotropic radiated power. Then we will study the GPS and VSAT. So in all there are 5 units for this subject. So here in this slide you are seeing on your screens the different marking system given to this subject chapter wise. The first unit will be carrying 12 marks weightage and it will be finished in 8 hours. Then the second unit will be given 16 marks weightage and it will require 12 hours to be taught. Then the third unit is carrying 14 marks. It will be completed in 8 hours. Fourth unit is carrying 12 marks and it will require 8 hours to be completed. And the fifth unit is carrying 16 marks weightage and it will be carrying or it will be completed in 12 hours. So in all it is 48 hours teaching scheme. And if you see the weightage, second chapter and fifth chapter is carrying maximum weightage of 16 marks. Then after that third unit will be having 14 marks weightage, and then first and fourth unit will be having 12 marks weightage. So likewise you will have to study each and every unit. I will advise you not to keep any chapter for option, because you are seeing here that every unit is carrying almost same weightage, right? So you need to study each and every unit of this subject, and it is a scoring subject because it is more or less theoretical subject. Numericals are there, but very less numericals are there. Only in second chapter we have that, but otherwise it is theoretical subject. So if you draw the diagrams you get the half marks, and if you write the explanation correctly, you will get full marks for the subject. So it is very good for your scoring. Okay. So we will stop here. From the next video we will start with the first unit. Okay, I'll advise you to download the syllabus of each and every subject from MSBT website and just go through the syllabus. So we will be starting from the next video. Thank you.